Hello foodies! If you ever wonder why temple rasam or traditional Brahmin feast has that soul-warming, incomparable aroma, the secret isn't just the lentils, it's in the freshly ground powder. Today I'm sharing you an authentic heritage recipe for Brahmin Style Rasam Powder. This is the gold standard of spice blends. I am going to show you the exactly how to achieve that perfect balance of heat and fragrance. Let's see how to do this. These are the ingredients required to make this rasam powder. Take a screenshot of it. Look at this tablespoon. This is a master spoon to get that perfect consistent flavor every single time. I use the same spoon for every single measurement. Consistency is the first step to masterpiece. First, we start with the base. Into the pan goes 1 tablespoon of Methi, that's fenugreek seeds, and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, and 1 tablespoon of peppercorns for the gentle heat. To balance it out, we need to add 2 tablespoons of cumin, that's jeera. Nearly 2 tablespoons of it. And now add just a tiny half teaspoon of oil. Now keep the flame low. We are going to roast this for about 3 to 4 minutes. You will know they are ready when the spices turn a shade darker and that incredible nutty aroma starts to fill your home. Now look, the spices are perfectly done. Next, we add 5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and we'll add 2 fresh sprigs of curry leaves. Now here is the most important tip. Always roast on a low to medium flame. Why? Because high heat is enemy of flavor. It scorches the spices on the outside while leaving them raw inside, destroying those delicate essential oils. Low heat coaxes the flavor out gently. Roast these until the curry leaves are crisp enough to snap. That is the most crucial part of roasting these spices. Remember this, you need to roast until the curry leaves gets perfectly crisp and it will snap for your touch. Now even these are perfectly ready. Once they are roasted, now move them to a plate to cool down. Now for the star of the show, we'll add 12 to 14 Badgi red chilies. These are legendary for a reason. They give our rasam that stunning deep crimson red color and a unique wrinkled texture without making it overly spicy. Add another teaspoon of oil and roast them for about 2 minutes until they are crisp and glossy. And then let them join the rest of the spices on the plate and allow them to cool completely. Once everything is perfectly roasted, let the mixture cool down completely. This is a non-negotiable rule. If you grind hot spices, the friction generates steam inside the mixer jar. That moisture turns your powder into clumpy. For a fine, free-flowing powder that lasts, patience is the best friend. And now we need to add a half a teaspoon of turmeric and a half a teaspoon of hing. That's asafoetida. That's very important, which gives you the beautiful aroma and the flavor. We'll add that into this mixture, and once cooled, pulse it into a fine silky powder. And there you have it, your authentic Brahmin style rasam powder is ready. Store it in an airtight container and it will stay fresh and fragrant for about 5 to 6 months. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But wait, don't go anywhere just yet. In my next video, we are using this expertise for a massive surprise. We are making that perfect tangy puliyogre gojju. You do not want to miss it. I will meet you in next one. Till then, this is Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaskara.